Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start unit number 3, which is changing materials. Changing materials. If you remember, we discussed in grade 1 some materials: soft, hard, shiny, bendy, rigid, waterproof. These were all properties of material. And as for materials, we have wood, paper, plastic, rubber, iron. So these were all materials. So in this class, we have the topic named changing materials. In this module, you will look at the ways we can change the materials. We can change materials, okay. Sort different materials into groups like plastic or wood or paper, like that. Learn that some materials are found naturally and some are made. Materials like glass, they are made. Alaikum salam. Materials like wood, they are natural. Hello, Hamid. How are you, Hamid?
Hello, Mister.
Hello, Mister. Okay. Here we have World Bank. Word Bank. This is your homework. You will write these words in your notebook. اكتب هذا كلمات في الدفتر. This is your homework. Okay. هذا واجب. These are words: material, melt, solid, bend,
طب صفحة كام يا أستاذ؟
stretch,
أستاذ كتبناه.
twist. These are all, yes, these are all words to write in your notebook. Then we have next page, which is page number 39. Okay, here we have look at the photograph. How is the man changing the shape of the clay? شوف هذا هو غير شكل حق التراب صح؟ Of the clay. How he is changing? How يعني كيف? Anyone? You can answer. كيف يعني? How? أي واحد؟ كيف هو غير شكل؟ With his hands and small tools to squash and shape the clay. So just a second, let me just remove this from the okay. So here you will write. The question is how the man is changing the shape. Okay, with hands and tools.
بالطين أستاذ.
Okay, with hands and tools. Look at the photograph. How is the woman changing the shape of the steel? Here you can see in this picture, the woman is making a pot with steel, from steel. Here you can see this woman. She is using a hammer to hit the steel by hitting with hammer, by By hitting with hammer. Here you can see hammer in her hands, right? So hammer is in her hands, so she is hitting the steel with hammer. Do you think it is easier to change the shape of a clay or a steel? ايش السهل؟ غير تراب ولا غير steel? Yes, tell me. Which one is easy? Huh?
غير تراب.
Yes, changing the clay. Yes.
How are you, teacher? My name is Badr Asmari.
Hello, brother. I'm fine. Thank you. So we will write here clay is easier to change. So right here clay. Clay. Okay. Then when have you changed the shape of something? Look at the pictures for clues. متى انت غيرت شكل اي شيء؟ Like here you can see some clay. Here you can see cotton or fabric, and here you can see paper. So you can write here, I think, paper. Yes, because you all change the shapes of paper, right? Yes or no? You change the shape of what? Anyone? Okay, right here I fold a paper. So here you can write folded. I folded a paper. Like here you can see in this hands. Scrunch or fold. Okay. فهمت ولا لا? Understand or not? Changing the shape of materials isn't a new idea. People who lived more than 10,000 years ago made metal jewelry. So it means they make jewelry with metals. The people 10,000 years ago, yani 10,000 sana قبل, they made jewelry with metals. كتبت ولا باقي؟
باجي.
I am finished.
طيب, okay, I will send you a screenshot. Okay, you can take screenshot.
أنا بدر أسمالي ما كتبت.
يلا سوي screenshot and write after that. Okay. يلا come on.
Okay.
Take screenshot. ها خلصت؟ Okay, moving towards next page. Page number 40 and 41. 40 and 41. Okay, here you can see changing the shapes of materials. Understand that the shape of some materials can be changed. We can make things change shape by squashing, bending, and stretching them. These are the kinds of things you can do with them to change their shapes. Think about what you have done today, how many ways you have changed the shapes of something. You change the shape of book, maybe you change the shape of your clothes, you change the shape of your some papers, maybe, or some jelly or something. Yes, making paper picture. Draw a picture in pencil on a large piece of card. Take some piece of colored tissue paper and scrunch them into balls. Stick the colored balls to your picture. شوف هذا سوي صورة كده اوكي راوند يعني circle بعدين take the papers سوي scrunch زي you can see on this paper this page like this okay سوي زي كده and put them like this blue بعدين orange بعدين purple بعدين yellow بعدين blue like this papers only so you can make it like this. How did you change the shape of the paper كيف انت غيرت شكل حق paper by scrunching it's easy by scrunching it scrunching يعني ايش معنى like this on this page you can this is called scrunching okay فهمت ولا لا يزيد نور مشل خالد إياس بدر تميم أمير إيهاب حامد مالك فهمت
Yes.
okay
Yes.
bending squashing and twisting a material will change its shape. Another way to change the shape of material is stretch it. Let's find out which materials stretch the most. Stretch means when you bring something down, it will go up again after that, but it will come down. زي ميزانية ممكن. Okay. This is also an activity when you will come, we will do it. Measure your material, fix the material to hold to the holder, hang the vase from it with a paper clip, measure how far the material has stretched. So this is how ruler, you have here ruler, material that you are stretching and weights. This we will do in school when you will come inshallah. Which material stretch the most? Okay, stretch the most. We know that elastic will stretch the most. Elastic. Okay, given elastic. Then we have 4 words in word bank: squashing, bending, twisting, and stretching. Fill in the answer boxes using the words in the word bank. One has been done for you, which is squashing. Squashing means when we sit on a cushion, it's changed by squashing. Yani inta ejlis ala shay was squashing on cushion, it's squashed. A horseshoe has to be made by bending. Yes, bending is the right answer. Very nice. Wringing clothes dry is an example of yani like this. Look here, you can see twist on this page. Look like this. This is twisting. Very nice. Twisting. Okay, last one on this page we make an elastic band longer by stretching by stretching. So this is now easy for you, I think. Do you understand bending or twisting or stretching and squashing? These are 4 types of activities or movements to change the shape of any material. Okay, different movements or different processes are done with different objects. Is it done? Do you understand this?
Yes, I am finished.
Very good.
Yes.
فهمت برضو ولا لا؟ أي شيء ما فهم كلم. If you didn't understand anything, tell me now. So what is your homework? Your homework is to write these words in your notebook. Has page 38. You will write in your notebook now and send them to me. Okay? يعني اكتب الآن
Okay.
وبعدين ارسلني. Okay? This is your homework for today.
Okay.
Any problem? أي سؤال؟
ايش الواجب؟ ايش الواجب؟
من معنا؟ Who is with me? أمير؟
امير.
أمير هذا واجب. هذا الكلمات اكتب في الدفتر. Word Bank page 38. Okay? وسوي هذا activity. سوي هذا activity with paper, color paper or color tissue paper. سوي زي كده صورة وارسلني. Okay? You and with your activity. Okay?
اوكي.
Yes. Okay. خلصت ولا باقي؟
I am finished. Finished. I am finished. بدر الصومالي.
Okay, Badr Somali, read number 1.
Yes, yes.
Read number 1.
Yes, ma. Where
When
we sit in
on a
on a
cushion,
cushion, it is singed
by
by
squashing, by squashing,
Yes, yes.
by
Question.
squashing. Yes, thank you,
Squashing.
brother. Ha Badri, number 2.
Yes,
Yes, number 2.
a horse
Hmm.
shoe has to be made by printing
By bending. Yes. Okay, Michelle Khalid, number 3.
Yes.
Yes, number 3.
Warwick. Giant. Broad.
Hmm.
Green.
Dry.
Dry.
Hmm. Yes. And okay.
Next the bell.
Hmm.
Up.
Twisting. Okay, Michelle, thank you. Malik Mustafa. Malik Mustafa, can you hear me? Okay, yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, read number 4.
We make an
Elastic.
elastic band longer
By
stretching.
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 Aywa, stretching. Thank you, yes, good. Okay, then we have Hamid. Jamil.
Yes.
Yes, number 1.
Number 1. Mer. Mer.
When?
Mer.
Here, yeah, Jamil, here. This one.
When
Aywa.
we
Huh?
sit
Hmm.
on a station, it
Cushion.
is cushion.
زي مخدة.
It
Cushion.
is cushion. Shine.
It is changed by.
Shine. Changed by
Hmm.
stitching.
Squashing.
Washing.
Squashing. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Jamil. Yazid.
Yes.
Yes. Number 2.
Or show.
A horseshoe
Had
has
to
to be made
to make by
hmm, by what? By bending.
bending.
Bending. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Noor. Muhammad Noor. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Number 3.
Yes, stars.
Aywa, number 3, Habibi. From here. Ringing. Ringing.
Reading.
Clothes.
Clothes dray
Hmm.
is an example of
Hmm.
twisting.
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 Yes. Twisting. Thank you, Noor. Tamim As-Subeti.
شكرا.
Thank
Yes.
you. Yes, Tamim. Number 4.
We make an elastic band longer by stretching.
Stretching. Excellent, Tamim. Excellent. Tamim Umair.
نعم أستاذ.
أيوة حبيبي. Number 1.
أستاذ وين أقرأ؟
Number 1 حبيبي. Number 1 this. When أيوة.
we sit on
أيوة.
a cushion.
Cushion. Yes. Cushion يعني مخدة زي مخدة. It changed.
By squashing.
Squashing. Yes. Thank you, Tamim. Malik Mustafa, now you are there. Open your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Number. You should read number 4.
Number 4. Okay. We make an elastic
Band.
band
Longer by
stretching.
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 Okay. Min baki wa maikra. Min baki. Who did not read? Anyone? Tayyib. Okay, boys. This is prayer time now. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.